I am Dr. Joy Martina, currently located in beautiful Salzburg, Austria, the city Mozart was born. I know Dr. Mark through a gathering in Santa Fe where he was practicing his network chiropractic, and he really helped me in a situation where I felt kind of lost and confused, and his treatment was amazing then, and we just struck up a great friendship. I've enjoyed his teachings, his coachings, his connections many times, and every time I feel amazed at the potential he's able to unlock within oneself, but also his steadfastness and his kindness and clarity and a delightful lack of ego. I think Dr. Mark nominated me to also endorse him amongst many others because I know him really well, he knows me really well, and we both appreciate a very straightforward, authentic, and an approach that guarantees results. So I think we're both as committed to helping others really tune into their potential and live it. So I think there's a great resonance there, and we're very clean mirrors for each other. And that's something that I really appreciate about Dr. Mark, is that he can hold the space to be that clean mirror so that the insights come to yourself and you're not feeling as if you're being taught. It feels like you're really learning yourself, and I like that. To me, Dr. Mark he's a light worker, but also a hands-on realist. So I love his analytical mind that's really as precise as a surgeon's mind. And at the same time, his beautiful, open, generous heart that really not only sees the potential in others, but has the ability to show them the mirror of who they really are. Dr. Mark changed my life in helping me tap back into that self-confidence and self-worth and trust in self. And he kind of had me feeling that I was no longer alone in, being the crazy one out there. But, talking to him really helped me see that I was making sense. And the other part is that he just has a knack of tuning into a field, an energy, a person, and seeing what needs to be done. And he's able to deliver those messages in such a compassionate way that you can take it in. It doesn't feel threatening. It doesn't feel as if you're being, a little school kid that's being told off, but you actually come to the conclusions by his gentle prompting that is quite, he's more like a bull terrier. He won't let go of it. If he sees something and he's noticing something, he'll keep pushing you there until you finally say, okay, I can see it myself now, and I love that. I think what makes Dr. Mark special is that he is beautifully unbiased, has an open mind and heart, great clarity, and the courage to say what needs to be said. Dr. Mark is a healer, a realist, a compassionate light worker with the guts of a warrior. And I believe he's on this planet to bring more light, more clarity, and help people rise to their potential.